Everyone, this is Becky Romine from MU Pre-ETS, and today we're going to do a continuation lesson of grocery store vocabulary words. These are words and things and people and titles of people that you will find if you get a job at a grocery store. I sent you the flashcards and the worksheets, and we're going to go through the flashcards. I want you to study the flashcards so that you can do the worksheets and understand these vocabulary words. The first word is customer. A customer is a person who is at the store to shop. Cashier. The person who works the cash register machine is the cashier. Bagger. The person who puts a customer's groceries into bags is a bagger. Employer. An employer is a person or company that hires others to work. Employee. An employee is a person who is paid to work for another person or company. Uniform. A uniform is special clothing that is worn by all the people in the same group. For example, all employees of a store. Co-workers. Co-workers are people who work together at the same place. Stocker. A stocker is the person who fills the shelves in the store with items for sale. Dress code. Dress code are the rules about what clothing should and should not be worn at a certain place. Okay, so those are the vocabulary words I want you to study and work on so that you can learn what those terms mean. I'm going to share my screen real quick, and we are going to go through some of the worksheets so you can see. The first worksheet has the pictures on the left and the words on the right. If you have somebody read to you the words, you need to draw a line from the word to the picture that represents that word. So the first vocabulary word is employee. So we need to find the picture that represents the employee, and that would be here. So we would draw a line there. The next worksheet is the same thing. You're going to match the word to the picture. We've got co-workers, employer, dress code. Okay. The next worksheet I sent you is matching the definitions of the vocabulary words to the pictures. And it says on this one, the person who works the cash register machine. So you need to find the person who works the cash register machine, which is also the cashier, that's right. So then you draw a line from the cashier to that description or definition of what that vocabulary word means. And there's more, the second page of that assignment. Then the next page, it says uniforms are special clothing that are worn by all the people in the same group. For example, all employees of a store. Circle the employees wearing the apron uniform. So if you look at all the pictures, you're going to look at the ones that are wearing an apron, and you're going to circle those pictures of the people wearing aprons or the apron uniform. The last, worksheet says fill in the badges, and that's these like name tags. You're going to fill in the badges with the correct name or job title. The word bank is up here. We've got bagger, cashier, stalker, customer, employer. Now, if you want to, you can cut those words out. That's what I would do. Cut those words out, and I want you to glue them onto the name tag where they belong. Here's the description you're going to have read to you. I am the person who works the cash register machine. So you're going to find the word cashier, cut it out, and you're going to glue it right there. And there you have it. Those are all the words that we are learning this week that we have to do with working at the grocery store. You're going to deal with customers. You're going to have to follow a dress code. You're going to have to wear a uniform. You're going to have to work with coworkers. So you're going to have to know somebody is the cashier, somebody's the stalker, somebody's the bagger. You might want to have some of those jobs yourself. So study those words on the flashcards and do the worksheets, and I'll see you next week.